What's going on? Welcome to my channel. I'm Justin Bradley. I'm a photographer out of the Orange County, LA area in California. Primarily shooting real estate. Also for landscape as well. This is just a welcome video to encourage you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you hit my episode that I am heading out to right now with my Mavic 2 Pro, my DJI Ronin, and also my Nikon D780, which I'm shooting this with right now, and my D7500. Is to get a great shot that I can hopefully secure my entry into the SkyPixel, I believe it's the 6th annual Aerial Photography Challenge. So hopefully I'll get a good one. We're gonna experiment with the pano shots and the intelligent flight mode of the DJI Mavic 2. Happy to break that down, but in future videos I'm gonna be doing tutorials. In Lightroom is my primary source. I'll show you how I edit my photos for real estate professionally, also for landscape as well if you like my style. So I'd encourage you to follow along in this journey, but make sure you subscribe again and hit that notification bell so you don't miss next week's episode. Happy New Year. Thank you.